Hi, my name is Samantha Lumley. I am in Bio 225. It is June 16, 2019. I am doing antibiotic sensitivity Kirby Bauer diffusion test, and I'm just making a video of the first part where I am going to be dropping the epidermitis into the agar plate that I already made. So I have my light here and the agar plate here. I'm going to heat up the tip of the S. epidermidis broth that I have been using throughout the lab. I have my pipette in the alcohol and I am expelling it. I'm going to draw up 0.5 milliliters of the broth and drop 8 drops of the broth into the center of the agar plate. Here we go. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Solution. I'm going to cap. I'm going to remove this L-shaped spreader. I'm going to spread the broth evenly around the plate. This is going to go into my bleach solution. I'm going to let this sit for 1 to 2 hours and then I'll be back. Okay, I am back. It's been 1.5 hours. I've allowed the broth to absorb into the agar plate. I have the tweezers that have been sitting in alcohol and I'm drying them off. I have the penicillin disc, gentamicin disc, and the Nova. I'm going to place the penicillin in the area that is labeled penicillin on the bottom. This guy right there is kind of weird because it's backwards when I look at it. So I'm going to grab the disc. Scissors, place it in drop it into the alcohol and leave it for 30 seconds. And the next one is going to be the gentamicin, and I'm going to put it in the GNC, which is that guy's. 30 seconds, and then I'm going to place the next disc into the Nova labeled triangular area on this. So that'll be it. I will be allowing the agar plate to remain lid side up for 10 minutes and to allow the disc to attach, and then I will be turning it agar side up for incubating of 12 hours. I will see if there's any growth, and if no growth, then I'll be incubating for additional 12 hours. So we will be back here when I do the last part, which is measuring the area, if there is an area of no growth around the disc. So this is the Nova Biocin. Okay, and that is it. I'll be back here. Hi, my name is Samantha Lumley. I am in Bio 225. It is June 17, 2019, and I am doing the visual Observation of the experiment antibiotic sensitivity, the Kirby Bauer test. So now I'm going to show what happened here. There's a very large zone of inhibition with the gentamicin, and the penicillin is medium inhibition, and then the novobiacin is the least. So I have to measure the zone. So it is approximately 2.5 centimeters for gentamicin. For penicillin, I'm going to go with a very light, it's 1.5 centimeters, and novobiacin is 3/4 of a centimeter. So the best one was the gentamicin, if you could see. Very large zone of inhibition. So that looks like it would be the best option. And that is the results for my Kirby Bauer diffusion test. Hi, my name is Samantha Lumley. I am Bio 225. I am making a video for the second experiment for the lab of Kirby Bauer sensitivity test. This is about the penicillium microscope slide. I have my microscope here. I have the penicillium with conidia slide on here, and I am visualizing it on here, first on the lower, and then on the next one, next magnification, and then on the final magnification. And then you will be seeing images on the video in a minute. The next part of the lab is the Kirby Bauer diffusion testing. This is a picture of the slide penicillium with Candida and phyalides. I had to describe the differences between bacteria and fungus and some of the similarities. Some ways that they're similar is that they both have cell walls, and one way that they're different is that one is bacteria is a prokaryote and fungus is a eukaryote. As well, I had to describe the environment that penicillium is found in, which is like soil, decaying vegetation, and it targets the bacteria that penicillin targets is Staphylococci and Streptococci, gram-positive bacteria. And penicillin works by affecting the bacterial cell wall synthesis, causing cell death. And penicillium can be found in different products like cheese and meats products, and also in sausages, and also in some enzymatic process to break down different types of compounds in and also in products like citrus acid. So that is the general idea of the lab that I did. Thank you.